6:40 a.m.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
This is my first AM/FM alert.
in central North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Clinton, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Newton Grove,